Hi everyone, this is a quick update on what's going on in the ELL Guiding Coalition. Our last meeting was on March 28th, 2018. Our first goal this year for the ELL Guiding Coalition is to reimagine learning, and it is that in 2017-18, Klein ISD will close the achievement gap by 5% or more in grades 3 through 8, reading and writing on STAR, or English EOCs for English language learners. We're really focusing on reading and writing because that's where our ELL students are tending to have the most difficulty. Goal 1 is working on the following things to try to close that achievement gap. So for elementary, they're working on an inventory for language RTI resources, and they're also working on goal setting sheets using the ELPS and TELPAS criteria. For secondary, they're encouraging campuses to start the Word of the Week, and also language instructional specialists are going around and talking to secondary campuses about implementing what we call the NELD, and that's for 9th and 10th graders, and they get 3 periods of language development. Goal 2 is building community, so it's focusing on getting the parents and students working together with the school. By the end of the 17-18 school year, we will create and implement a culturally responsive and systematic approach to build a community of acceptance and support for the ELs, or English learners, in Klein ISD. The way that they're planning on doing that, or that they're working on getting more community involvement, is by building a repository of family engagement events. This will help so that if an administrator wants to start doing events, they can refer to that repository to get information. They're also developing campus parent coalitions, which will be groups of parents who work to support on campuses, and designing a cultural event for the whole district. And we're also going to spread the parent university system to the Klein High family of schools, looking at Klein High, Middlestat, and Club. The last goal is Goal 3, cultivating talent. By the end of the 17-18 school year, we will have a system in place for the implementation and monitoring components to serve English learners in Klein ISD. They're really focusing on professional development. So what they're working on right now is a plan for a mini conference held by the multilingual department on July 27th, and the keynote speaker is going to be Anna Mathis. There will be an application process for those who would like to submit a proposal and present that day. So if any teachers on your campus are excited about the English language learner acquisition strategies that they're using in their classroom, please have them apply. If you guys have any questions about what's going on in the ELL Guiding Coalition, please feel free to contact either your language instructional specialist or Kathy Vergara, and we will update you or help you out as much as we can. Have a great day.